My name is John Bennett. I'm actually the inside sales account manager for a lot of the Northeast. So on a day-to-day basis, I also help out with a lot of technical questions. We deal with a lot of customers, both OEM, distributorships, dealing with a lot of different situations coming from logistics to end user questions that they may have on how to utilize the product. Overall, it's been a great experience. I've been here for about 9 years, actually be 9 years next June. I cut my teeth in the electric motor business. Actually, my father started working here in 2006. I actually had my first job working for WorldWide in 2008, believe it or not. I actually was doing paperwork and helping out with the warehouse that we had at the old building that we used to have. And actually in 2013, I got asked to come on, and while I was in college, I got asked to work at, the owner of the company asked me to work in a motor shop, which I did for about 6 months. And since then, I've just kind of loved the business and loved what we do here at WorldWide. Getting back to customers in a timely fashion, that's our key motto, right? Like I've been able to see our business come back from 2013, where we were kind of an afterthought for so many different companies, to today being, I would consider, and most people may consider in our market, as a market leader. But we still haven't lost being able to get back to customers in a timely fashion. And whenever we do have a struggle in doing something within our process, we find a way to fix it very, very quickly. We don't accept it. We find a way to fix it in a very, very easy fashion that's still going to kind of tailor to what our customers have come to expect, and what's kind of gotten to us to where we are today. So it's pretty unique from what I understand. So a lot of the companies that we work with, it's actually more of an outside-in approach, where these outside representatives are going to go to a business, and they're going to generate the opportunities that they will take care of, and then the inside staff kind of just does the grunt work a little bit to a degree, right? Like where it's the opposite for us, where it's inside out. So the outside guys already have a set of customers that they want to go see on a daily basis, right? Like that was generated by what we were able to kind of give them direction on weeks prior, like these our outside guys are traveling multiple states and covering thousands of miles. Like it's not like they can pop into a customer on a daily basis. So it's up to us to support them on kind of like the day-to-day type stuff, and then our outside guys will go in and take care of bring a face to the name, like be able to gauge their actual body language, kind of see what they're actually doing operational wise. Because so basically, the outside guys may be a little bit blind to what we're doing on a day-to-day basis, just as we're blind to what the actual business is like in a in-person environment. But it's unique to be able to kind of work with them and kind of help paint the picture for each other. And that's what's really unique about how the sales structures work like that. When you're dialing into WorldWide or the 1-800 line, you're going to get a live person every single time. So that is terribly unique, which is kind of sad to say, because this is a business that you need to have trust with the person that you're talking to, and somebody that's a little bit familiar with what you do as a business. Because it's not like we're dealing with like retail type people. We're dealing with business owners. We're dealing with very complex applications sometimes. So it'd be horribly difficult to be able to contact a company and not be able to get the same person. Or if you need to get a hold of the same person, you have to wait 3 or 4 days for them to be able to free themselves up and create a ticket for you. So it really is unique to be able to get in touch with somebody in person. I mean, with the business that my wife and I have no idea who any of my MRO supply people are. I don't know them by name. I don't know what their background is. I don't know anything about them. Where our customers know us and know pretty much everything about us. Actually, a couple of our customers, we actually go and visit at least once or twice a year, just due to being able to be a resource for their business, and also developing a friendship at the same time. Obviously, we've been in an electric motor business for 20 plus years. We have people that have worked in this company for maybe 20 plus years, or have worked in other type of similar businesses that's been able to kind of translate and build up their product knowledge. So when you call in here, you're going to get somebody on the phone that knows the product, maybe not inside out like some of our motor shop guys do, but somebody that can answer those questions or be able to find an answer for you right away. When you call in, you need technical support or programming assistance on our drive. If you don't get in touch with somebody in less than an hour, we're going to be upset. And our customers have come to expect that, and they would be upset, as they should be, because these are very, very expensive sales calls. These are very, very expensive service calls. When you have somebody out in the field in front of a drive trying to fix something, they're charging a customer potentially up to $200 an hour. So if they can't get an answer that they need within that 1 hour, 2 hour frame, if they come all the way back out, that can cost anybody in our industry upwards of any amount, $500, $1,000, just because they weren't able to get in touch with the actual manufacturer of the drive.